Hi everybody! Okay, so today I did a green eyeshadow tutorial. It's really pretty. It starts from light green to dark green, so it's gradually fading. I really love it for a day that you just want to have some color on your eyes. And before I get started with that, I'm going to do a small outfit of the day. So what I have on right now is I have a white tank top and underneath this big bluish green flowy top that says "Love is the answer." It's from Delia's and I really like it because it's flowy and it's really comfortable and it's very loose. Then I have this pencil skirt with 2 pockets in front, which is so adorable. I don't know if you can see it here. Let me bend it down a little bit. Yeah, it's so cute. I love it so much. And for the shoes, I'd probably pair it with either these silver-ish, yeah, it's silver. It's not really gold, but it has a little tint of gold in it. And it has like a bow. Or I'd pair it with these sandals that have 3 studs of like, I don't know, like a jewel or something. And it's crosses in the back, and I love it. It's very comfortable. Both these shoes are pretty comfortable. And that's what I would wear it with. Yep. So, yeah, that's my outfit of the day. Now let's get started with that tutorial. Talk to you guys later. Bye. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to prime your eyes. I'm using Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer potion, and I wouldn't recommend putting this much of an amount on, but use whatever amount you prefer doing. So just put that all over your lid into the inner corner and drag it underneath. And pat that in really good. Now I'm going to take this gorgeous lime green color. It's very light, so you want to go over it just a couple of times. And put that into the inner corner and bring it out halfway, just so you have a really nice base color, but it's also going to help show up a lot. And you want this look to look gradual, so this is going to be your lightest color when gradually fading from light to dark. So bring it over into the inner corner and drag it underneath very slightly, just as kind of a base color for the colors that you're going to be using for your lower lash line. So that's what it should look like so far. And now we're going to be taking a little bit of a darker green and putting that into the center of your eyelid, into the outer corner. And just blend it in with the lighter color just a little bit. You want to make sure that you can see that it is 2 different colors in 2 different shades of green. But you do want to pack it on there so it will show up. And that's what it should look like. Now I'm going to take this even darker green, which has a little tint of blue in it, and I'm going to be placing it very, very lightly and gradually into the crease. So you want to use only a little bit at a time. You don't want to put all the color at the crease in once, because then it's going to look too harsh and it's going to be harder to blend. So blend a little bit with your finger. That's what I did. And now I'm going to take a blending brush and just blend it out a little bit and mix it all together. But you want to be careful with your blending because you don't want to do it too much or else it's going to look muddy. And just wipe off the excess at top. Yeah, so that's what it should look like so far. And just, do a little bit extra blending. So now what I'm going to do is I dipped a Q-tip in makeup remover. I'm just going to clean up a little bit. I'm going to clean up on top because I don't want this look to go all the way up to my brow. I just want to clean it up a little bit, make it look a little bit neater and more wearable, not so crazy. And just wipe off the excess. I do really like, and now I'm going to take the dry part of the Q-tip and just clean up the excess moisture. So make it not too wet. And drag it underneath. So that's what it should look like, and I'm just going to blend out the harsh line with the blending brush. And as I was saying before, I think this is a really good tip for when you maybe don't want to have it too, messy or have it up so much to your brow bone and make it a little bit more wearable. Now here I just add a little bit more of the crease color just to have the desired look. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this blue green, it's like a sea green, and just line the outer half of my lower lash line just to give it a little bit of a pop to kind of bring a little bit of the blue into it. And you want to only go halfway and drag it up just a little bit into your crease color. Now I'm taking this really, really bright pigmented blue and putting it in the center of my lower lash line, and I'm going to take this even greener blue that's a little bit lighter and put it into the inner corner. I just think this adds such a great variety of color that just all works together. And now I'm taking this teal pencil liner and just lining my waterline. You're going to have to go over it a couple times to make the color show up, but this really does give a really nice look. And now I'm taking a black eyeliner and just tight lining my waterline, or upper lash waterline. I'm just going to be tight lining that. And now I'm taking my CoverGirl Last Splash Fusion Mascara. It's my favorite mascara ever, and I'm just going to be putting a little bit on my lashes. Not too crazy. Make it really long, but not too dramatic. And just lining a little bit on my bottom lash line. My bottom lashes. And now I take a dry Q-tip, and for the part that I messed up a little bit on the mascara, got a little bit on my skin, once that dries, just rub the dry Q-tip on off it and it will come right off. And that's the look. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to use Cream Sheen Shy Girl by MAC. And since the eyes are very dramatic, this is a very neutral color, not exactly nude, but more like skin tone, but not nude. So it has some color in it, but yeah. So you can kind of, see what I'm talking about. It's not nude, but it's very basic. And on top of that, I'm going to use Luster Glass Instant Gold by MAC. And this is a little bit of a nuder color, but I think that it just works really well together, even though it's not really the same. And you just want to apply it to the center of your lips. Don't drag it all the way out to the corners. This is going to give you a more slimmed down lip. It's going to give a really cool effect. Okay, so now that we have all that done, you want to clean up your Access powder with a blush brush. And just kind of clean off everything that shouldn't be there. Okay. And that's really all I'm going to do today. Not going to add any blush because you want to have the eyes the main focus of this look, and you don't want to take anything away from that. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And I really hope you enjoyed it. Comment, rate, subscribe, tell me what you think, and hopefully you guys can try this out. So yeah, that's it. So talk to you guys later.